In every piece you are going to get chiffon dupatta, all these collection. If you want to know the price, you just have to call us. And if you are watching this video from international border, still you can order these collection by sitting at your home. Door to door facilities available. Secondly, we have COD facility in India also. Hello YouTube family, I hope you are doing very fine in the life. So today I brought you traditional Bandhani 3-piece collection along with chiffon dupatta and handwork. You can see these beautiful color design on the table. All these collection, no, I'm not going to tell you the price. I'm going to tell you the price once you call us. And don't skip this video, watch till the end, because this collection is going to be very traditional and very touch to Gujarat collection. So you can see this first piece, how beautiful this piece is. Along with it, you can see the leheria designing, bandhani designing and neck area as well. It's going to be come with proper handwork and pearl work. You can see this beautiful designing. If I talk about the dupatta is going to be in pure fabric, pure chiffon fabric. All these collection are going to be, I'm not going to tell you. That's why I'm not telling you, because a lot of people watch our video. Maybe they just want for home, maybe they just want for personal use. That's why we don't share the prices, because it's not good for the retailers, wholesalers. So if you want to know the prices of all these collection, you just one call away. You can call us, WhatsApp us. You can see this next beautiful red color collection. Even I am wearing one. I can show it to you how simple and beautiful and elegant dress this is, along with a proper chiffon dupatta. So I'll show you the next collection. You can see this beautiful purple color collection with handwork and pearl work designing. You can see how beautiful this piece is crafted, and you can see the bandhej designing. You can see the designing on the neck, and it will come with the proper pants and dupatta. In every piece you are going to get chiffon dupatta, all these collection. If you want to know the price, you just have to call us. And if you are watching this video from international border, still you can order these collection by sitting at your home. Door to door facilities available. Secondly, we have COD facility in India also. Wherever you are sitting, you can order these collection, but set to set collection. You can see this beautiful golden yellow color collection. You can see the neck area, you can see the mirror work, you can see the ethnic work. How beautiful this piece is looking. Even I can show you by, you can see how beautiful this piece is. So all these collection are very beautiful. You are just one click away for ordering this. You can see this next leheria printing designing. You can see the neck area also. You can see the handwork, you can see the pearl work. How beautiful this piece is crafted, and you can grab all these collection by sitting at home. So if you want to know the price, want to know the designing, you want to create your designs, you want to order 3-piece, 2-piece, cord set, whatever collection in ladies wear, we can give it to you. You can see this next beautiful dark bottle green collection. How beautiful this collection is looking. So if you want to get these comments for your shop, you just have to do one thing. You have to order all these collection by sitting at your home. You can see this beautiful green and bandhani designing. How beautiful this piece is looking. And I'll show you some dummy pieces also. You can see this handcrafted blue color design. You can see this beautiful yellow color design. And on my second hand, you can see the dark green, you can see the red. All these collection are very beautiful and very rooted to Gujarat. If you want to order these collection by sitting at home, you can order it. If you are planning to come to Surat, you can see the description. Pick and drop is available. And this is your channel. Like, comment, share and subscribe.